When the power of love overcomes the love of power, the world will know peace. A pleasant morning to all. Today is a special day. As today's day, 21st of September, is being observed as International Day of Peace. Each year on 21st September, the United Nations calls on everyone, everywhere to recognize the efforts of individuals, organizations and government to end conflict and promote peace. So let us all join together in today's special assembly and reflect upon the true meaning of peace. What is peace? Peace is the beauty in the world. Peace is feeling well rested. Peace is when you help people who are in need. Peace is knowing you are one of a kind. Peace is making a friend. Peace is when you forgive others. Peace is having wishes come true. Peace is accepting people who are different from you. Peace is feeling calm in your heart. Peace is what we need. What does peace mean to you? Let us follow the steps to find peace. Rejoice, be thankful, be gentle, do not be anxious, pray and ask, be selfless.
Light a candle for peace, light a candle for love, light a candle that shines all the way around the world. Light a candle for me, light a candle for you, that our wish for world peace will one day come true. Sing peace around the world. 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 Light a candle for peace, light a candle for love, light a candle that shines all the way around the world. Light a candle for me, light a candle for you, that our wish for world peace will one day come true.
On this day, let us take a pledge to create peace for one and all, to respect people in each and every land, to care and nurture our Mother Earth, to use words in a kind way, to help others as we go throughout our day, to treat others with the same respect that we deserve,